Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a Monte Cristo sandwich. A Monte Cristo sandwich is a ham and cheese sandwich dipped in an egg batter and then pan fried. Without further ado, Monte Cristo. Coming up. To begin, in a large container, we need 2 eggs, 1/4 of a cup of regular milk, a sprinkle of salt, seasoned with 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now let's give that a whisk. Set it aside. On a separate container, let's combine 1 tablespoon of mayo and 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. Let's give that a mix and make sure that both ingredients are well combined. That looks pretty good to me. Now, let's go ahead and assemble this Monte Cristo sandwich. On 3 pieces of regular white sandwich bread, add some of the mayo and mustard. You don't need a whole lot. You can do about 1 teaspoon or so. On each slice, we're adding 1 slice of Gouda cheese. Or you can do Swiss also if you don't have Gouda. Next, 1 slice of deli ham. The lunch meat is only going to be added to 2 slices of bread. The 3rd slice is not going to have any lunch meat. Add 1 slice of deli turkey. Now, grab one of these guys and place it on top of the other. The 3rd slice of bread goes right on top. The cheese is gonna help it stay together. Press down a little bit just to make sure that everything is nice and tight, and we are ready to pan fry it. Now, on a skillet over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter has melted, we're soaking the sandwich in our egg batter. Place the sandwich in the center, and please make sure that the heat is set to medium-low. We don't want to burn the bread. We want it to get a nice crust and also to stay warm inside, and we want the cheese to melt. We'll give it about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Let's give this guy a flip and see how it's doing. It's looking pretty good. Now give it another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Have you ever had a Monte Cristo sandwich before? Please let me know in the comment box down below. And if you haven't, it is time to indulge in a Monte Cristo sandwich. This Monte Cristo sandwich is ready. Let's get it out of the skillet and tear it apart. Let's cut it in half at an angle. I like cutting sandwiches at an angle. I think it just looks better. Let's give it a try. It is so good. It is crispy on the outside. And the cheese, the ham, turkey. It is just wonderful. It is instant sandwich success. I love me some Monte Cristo sandwich. And there you guys have it. Monte Cristo sandwich. Enjoy. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, and I think YouTube wants you to watch that recipe, and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.